The Qlik BEx Plugin is an add-on to the Qlik Visual Analytics platform and brings governed self-service within SAP BW or BI environments to the next level. It provides the most easiest way to access data for SAP BEx users. It seamlessly integrates Qlik in your existing SAP landscape. It is an extension which can be accessed through the Qlik standard client. Support can be delivered by Qlik Consulting or any Qlik partner. You can access data within the user context. This is extremely important for reusing existing authorization rules within the SAP system. You can flexibly reuse any kind of SAP metadata within such kind of concept. For example, existing hierarchies, security, any kind of master data which is included in the SAP landscape can be reused in this kind of concept. And of course, you can connect your BEx queries with additional data sources, like other BEx queries or even non-SAP data. Let's jump into a demonstration. Let's start with this empty application. First of all, we have to set up the Qlik BEx plugin. To do this, let's just access our extensions panel. You can see that this is an extension which is available over here. Just drag and drop it onto the canvas. And at the first page, we have to set up the extension. So we have to give him some parameters. For example, what is our SAP connection that we want to reuse? Do we want to have a centralized approach to access the SAP system, or maybe do we have a user specific approach? So we have the chance to add new user connections on this level. So to make it very easy for the business user. And then we have to link the plugin to an existing metadata app. We don't have a choice over here, so let's leave it like this. In the next stage, we have to select the stuff that we want to extract. So first of all, of course, it's a query. So we can just type in the query name and you see how fast all this stuff goes. Now we are using green, white, and gray logic of Qlik, and we see all the dimensions which are available for this particular query. Let's just start small and maybe select only one of those dimensions. And then we see that we have 7 measures available. What's kind of nice, we also see all the other measures which are available in the entire SAP BW system. So maybe we are not really aware what kind of query we are searching, so we can just start typing the name of the measure that we are searching and can see all the queries where these measures are used. We can also apply some bookmarks. So for example, if we have some queries that we frequently use in such kind of scenario, we can apply a bookmark for this. Let's go to the next screen. So again, it's very simple dialog over here. Now we have the chance to access the variable screen, where we can type in the variables, predefined variables, which are available to us. So let's just start using all the data from January 2015 to December 2016. So we see that we have a highly guided approach. We only have 2 steps, selecting dimensions and measures and entering the variables, and then we are good to go. Then we have the live access to the SAP system. And now we have 2 options. So first of all, we can of course go to the sheet and do all the stuff that we are used to do, because now we retrieve data, at least 2 lines. So we selected only the calendar year and some measures. So of course we selected 2 years, so this was what we were expecting. But maybe let's jump to the insights board, which is a kind of new functionality and can help us to automatically generate insights from the data that we just retrieved from the SAP system. We see that we have some kind of fields over here. We also have the measure definition. We have dimension definition from SAP, and we can say, okay, system, please generate some insights. Of course, we don't have too much data, so the insights that we can generate over here are kind of limited. So Now that we know that the query is maybe the correct one that we want to work with, we can go there and redefine our query selection. So we can access the plugin over here. There's a button where we can click on, and now we directly jump into our last definition of the variables. We can also go back to the query selection and say, okay, we additionally want to have the company code, distribution channel, division. We want to have plant, maybe some regional information, products, product categories, product groups, sales organization information is also nice, and the customer, which might be valuable information for us. So again, click on next, go to the live access mode again. You will retrieve some more data, as you can see over here. Now we can see that we got even more data, and maybe we get some more insights from the data. So jump to the insights boards again. You can see that we have, on the left side, we have much more data fields than before. And let just the system say, okay, what kind of insights do you maybe have for us? So for example, you can see the region by total net value, static currency, which is obviously our major KPI that we are taking a look at in this kind of data model, which is automatically detected by the system. We can also see some product groups listed in this block diagram. And of course, we can easily use this insight board to help us build us our dashboard. So of course, we can add some visualizations that we find nice and provide us some insights over here to at least speed up the time that we need to get our dashboard up and running. So again, all the time we have the chance to redefine our query. We can easily access query definition over here. You can jump in, edit the variables over here. You can all the time edit the query and dimensions and measure selection that you have over here to make it a very easy experience for the business users. Are you interested in the Qlik BEx plugin? Reach out to your Qlik representative or go to developer.qlik.com. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.